Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a Google form in Facebook ads. Google form is a great tool for collecting leads, customer feedback or registrations. If you're running Facebook ads, you might want to integrate Google Forms to capture information directly from users. Now while Facebook has its own lead form, using Google Forms gives you more flexibility, customization and easy access to responses in Google Sheets. And here's how you can add Google Form to your Facebook ads and optimize it for conversions. The first step is to create a Google form, and to do that, just go to forms.google.com and click on it and make sure you log in using your Google account's credentials. Now after that, create a new form by clicking on blank form. Now after you create the form, name its title and write a description describing the form and its purpose. And you can add essential fields by clicking on the plus button and add essential fields for name, email, a phone number and any other detail you need. And you can also enable collect email addresses if required. The second step is to copy the Google Forms link. And to do that, just click on publish once you finish modifying and adding the sections and areas in your Google form. Click publish and confirm by clicking again on publish. Now after that, click on the share button right here and change the restriction from restricted to anyone with the link and copy the responders link. Now once you copy the responders link, use bit.ly or another URL shortener for a cleaner look. Third step is to set up your Facebook's ad campaign. And to do that, just open Facebook Ad Manager and choose an objective like traffic or lead generation. In the ad setup section, choose website as the destination. Now for the fourth step, add the Google form link to your ad by pasting the shortened Google form link in the website URL field, and make sure your ad copy includes a strong call to action like fill out this form to get started. And as for the fifth and final step, optimize your ad for better results. Add an eye-catching image or video to grab attention and use Facebook Pixel for tracking conversions from your form submission and monitor responses using Google Sheets to analyze data easily. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.